Ever wondered what it takes to create a weld that's literally stronger than the steel itself? Today, we're diving into the raw power of shielded metal arc welding. Stick around, because the final result is incredibly satisfying. We're working with SMAW here, commonly known as stick welding. It's the backbone of heavy construction, but getting that perfect bead is pure artistry. Notice the steady hand required to maintain the arc gap. If you're too far, you get splatter. Too close, and you stick to the workpiece. It's all about that perfect balance of heat and speed. See how the flux coating on the electrode melts? It creates a protective gas shield, keeping impurities out of the molten puddle. Without this, the weld would be brittle and weak. We're aiming for deep penetration here to ensure maximum structural integrity. Every movement has to be calculated, watching the puddle, controlling the slag, and ensuring a uniform ripple pattern. And there it is, a clean, robust, and professional-grade weld. From raw rusted metal to a bond that will last a lifetime. If you found this process as satisfying as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more high-quality welding breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and keep grinding.